All right, I'm going to take a moment before I go to the phone line and tell you these 10 reasons why you need to throw away this microwave oven. Okay, from the conclusion of the Swiss, the Russians, and the German scientific clinical studies, we can no longer ignore the microwave oven sitting in our kitchens. It has been found that number one, continually eating food processed from a microwave oven causes long-term permanent brain damage by shutting out electrical impulses in the brain, depolarizing or demagnetizing the brain tissue. Number two, the human body cannot metabolize or break down the unknown byproducts created in microwaved food. Number three, male and female hormone production is shut down and or altered by continually eating microwaved foods. Number four, the effects of microwave food byproducts are residual, long-term, permanent within the human body. Number five, minerals, vitamins, and nutrients of all microwave foods are reduced or altered so that the human body gets little or no benefit, or the human body absorbs altered compounds that cannot be broken down. Number six, the minerals in vegetables are altered into cancerous free radicals when cooked in microwave ovens. Number seven, microwave foods cause stomach and intestinal cancerous growths or tumors. This may explain the rapidly increasing rate of colon cancer in America. Number eight, the prolonged eating of microwave foods causes cancerous cells to increase in the human body. Number nine, continual ingestion of microwave food causes immune system deficiencies through lymph gland and blood serum alteration. So if you got a problem with your thyroid, you got a problem with your tonsils, first thing you ought to do is get rid of the microwave food. Number one. All right. Number 10. Eating microwave food causes loss of memory, concentration, emotional instability, and decreases of intelligence. So if you didn't have no reason for tonight to throw away the microwave oven, I just gave you 10.